Welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming to this channel, I say a very big welcome to you. Welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification button for you to be notified whenever we upload a new video. It's been a while, right? Okay, welcome. Don't forget we ship everywhere to UK, Canada, Asia country, Europe, US, and even other neighboring Africa countries within Africa, all right? And within our country, Nigeria, we deliver everywhere. In a quick one today, some people asked me to drop a very whitening lotion for them, and that I should use whitening, I should use a golden face cream. You all know that golden face body milk, golden face lotion, golden face cream, and we have golden face concentrate also. We have the oil. So in a quick one, we'll be making our lotion today with all these additives, and also we'll be talking about some of the ingredients that you can add to it to make it more whitening. Now, in a quick one, if you're using a base cream separate, like organic, I would want you to use maybe every other additive that are very effective. Other than that, it's not going to whiten you to just look like mere organic, right? But this one will be making use of the set of the golden face, all right? So now let's begin. I have on my right top in here on my phone. So let's begin. First of all, you will be using, you can use any of the butter. We'll be using avocado butter. You can use maybe mango butter or orange butter. Are you getting it? Now you can use any of them. So we'll be using avocado butter. And it's a little quantity, so I will be putting the description also there. All right, so everything will just come on a picture. That's what we're doing, so listen attentively. So now we'll be using our butter. You should take at least 1 spoon, just 1 spoon of the avocado butter. Put it inside a bowl. All right. Now you cannot bring out the milk, the golden face body milk. That golden face body milk, that one is, you can see them being displayed on the screen, right? So whatever I'm telling you has been displayed on the screen already. So bring out your golden face body milk. Then I just want us to put half of it, because I want this lotion, this body milk we're producing, to be very effective. So for you beginners, listen, after bringing the avocado, 1 spoon, put it inside your bowl. You cannot put your what is called golden face half of it. Now what's the next item? Then first of all, I would say blend. All right, okay. And after that, putting that, you now bring your blema oil. You can use any of the hot oil anyway, very sharp oil. You can use sharp oil, but I will advise to use blema oil. That's one of the oil that I always count on, or magic oil. You can use hot oil, or you can use sharp oil. Just put one of those oils, industrial oil, not carrier. Okay, so my blema oil is industrial oil, so you cannot put like 3 spoons. Yes, 3 good spoons. So put 3 good spoons. Then after that, you bring your shenic stage 2. You bring out your shenic stage 2. For those of us, why are we putting this? Let me explain why we're putting this hot oil, so that the golden face, the body milk is a whitening body milk, is a whitening lotion. We all know that it's a whitening one. So now to activate it, you've put your blema oil or sharp oil. Now let's make some amendment in case any side effect. For those of us who say stretch mark, I have green vein, my green, I'm prone to green vein, my green vein, they are coming out more. This lotion is making me, basically, whoever that has green vein, due to some stress or lacking some minerals or some vitamins in your body, if you're using a whitening lotion, it will definitely comes out, to definitely bring it out. All right. So I just want you to understand that it will definitely bring it out more and more because it's a whitening lotion. So don't be deceived. All right. Yes, it will definitely bring it out. So now I tell you again, and after bringing your Shenic stage 2 oil, you put 3 spoons of that Shenic stage 2 oil, and add this to control the green veins. All right, to control the green veins, because you're not having any and you put this, it will always make the lotion, the body milk, to go that way to blend, so that none of the green vein will pop up because you're not having any. All right, then if you haven't before, if you think this will, it's not, it will make the green vein out because it's a white, are you getting it? It's a whitening lotion, a whitening cream we're trying to make. So don't be deceived. We can only correct them when we put the cream aside and use something that will control them. You understand? So now, after you put your Shenic stage 2, 3 spoons, then you can now bring out your crude kenalco. Put 3 spoons. And you know this crude kenalco, I'm telling you, that's being displayed here. You cannot put 3 spoons of this crude kenalco. This is to control white patches. For those of us who've gotten white patches already, this crude kenalco, the way it's being made, it will control the tendency of your melanin. All right, you all know the reason why we get this is because of the excessive melanin. That's why we get these white patches. All right, so any of the cream that gives you white patches, it could be that is the side effect of that cream. Are you getting it? That generates. But when we get white patches, because we got excess of melanin. Are you getting it? So now you cannot put your crude kenalco 3 spoons to control the white patches. These white patches, how does the crude kenalco control it? Because one, we have whitening crude kenalco, and also we have this main crude kenalco. This main crude kenalco, if you want to use it, it will keep your lotion. That is the secret you don't know. The main one will kill the power of the lotion to make it not to be very whitening, because it's not whitening crude kenalco, right? So in that, so the melanin will not, be too excess anymore, because the crude kenalco has reduced the power of the lotion or the body milk we are making now. But if it's whitening crude kenalco, it will control it and to still boost your color. Are you getting it? Yes, it will make those white patches fade away. It will fade them off. You can use Farmadane anyway. In this lotion we're making, you can put Farmadane. If you want to put Farmadane, you can put Farmadane. And that's 3 spoons of it, or you can just put half of the tube. Yes, half of the tube. That is, but this one I'm making right now, I'm telling you, I'm not putting it. All right. So put your crude kenalco, and when using whitening crude kenalco. So then again, I want you to understand that after the 3 spoons of your crude kenalco, I will be putting my proplyn glycol. Propylene glycol. Basically, our propylene glycol open the pores of the skin to make the cream or whatever, the lotion or the oil, whatever you're applying. Propylene glycol open the pores of your skin, so it will make the cream or the body milk penetrate. So we'll be putting our propylene glycol 3 spoons also. 3 spoons, just put 3 spoons of the propylene glycol. All right. Then after that, we'll be putting our beauty series. Put our beauty series 3 spoons. Beauty series is a carrier oil, is a whitening oil. Also, we need lightening the body. All right. So, and after that, we'll be putting our lavender oil. Make use of your lavender oil, either the carrier oil or you can use your organic one. All right. So you can, if you don't have lavender oil, you can use any other, maybe Ingan oil or Moroccan oil. All right. You can use any of those effective oil also. Very good for the skin. Yes, it will be a blend. All right. So last but not the least, we'll be putting our preservative, to make your the lifespan of the lotion you just make now to get long. You see, so with all this I tell you as a beginner, if you follow everything perfectly, you will see that the lotion, the body milk, it will work. It will work. Not every time some people feel like, I want to do this myself. I want to do this myself. This is just a special tip for you. All right. If you know you can go through all this, you can also just place order and we send it to you wherever you are. All right. We sell also skincare materials. We sell cosmetic, and we do deliver every, like as I said. Are you getting it? And if you want us to run any advert for you on our platform, we run advert for you also. All right. And then again, a beautiful one. If you want to learn how to produce or to make all these lotions yourself, you can chat me up via the number on your screen. All right. So we've come to the end of the class. Bear this in mind. Any lotion you make is your first time. Even if you're not right at that, if you're not correct, at least you've taken a step. But all I just want you to do, follow the right steps so that you get it right. And with this, I've just placed, you can see them, all these are just placed in there, will give you the right body milk. You can use any avocado, you can use any butter, you can use cocoa butter, you can use avocado butter, you can use orange, are you getting it? You can use you can use shea butter. All right, so I just want you to understand that you got this, you can do this. All right, so we've come to the end. See ya next time. Bye bye.